Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to clean your USB charging port on your Samsung Galaxy M23. So remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So as you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So to get it out, you need to take the cover off if you have, and then take brush in a hand and insert the part of the brush into your charging port. Then gently try to pry the dirt out, and as you can see, that's it. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment this video, and bye. See you again later.